Alright, so this T5 install has given me problems left and right, and all I did was pull it out, open it up. Looks good. Put it back together again. So, the second problem I ran into, the second fix that I've never had to do before, check it out. Alright, so I installed the bell housing before I installed the actual transmission itself, but when I went to slide the transmission in, it went all in to about a 1/2 inch, and I've never had that happen before without being able to fix it by swiveling the tail shaft a little bit, rocking the trans, getting them teeth to line up and slide right in. But I had to engage the clutch, actually wouldn't slide all the way in. And once I put the scoop up in there, I could see that it just wasn't lining up. Now I use a clutch alignment tool. I have a bunch of them that are plastic. I actually have one that's metal. It's spot on, works great almost every time I've ever done one. So, I don't know what the difference was in this one, but if you're running into that problem, it's a quick, easy try. Hopefully it helps you out.